Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. As usual, my name is Kɔso. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope the year brings everyone good wishes and blessings, right? So for today's lesson, we have one person that needed something translated, and that person is Daniel. And Daniel needed 11 things translated. Sorry, I'm actually sitting under the shade. It's really hot outside. It's really, really hot. So I actually put my ND filter. Hopefully it won't be that dark, not too bright, right, for you guys, right? So the first thing that Daniel wanted to know was Waye ama abusu. Again, Waye ama abusu. One last time. Waye ama abusu. Now that literally translated in English is he or she has done it in abundance. Again, he or she has done it in abundance. Again, Waye ama abusu. In English would be he or she has done it in abundance. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, why are you always here? Again, why are you always here? Now that in Tree can be said as Adɛn dabiara woha. Again, Adɛn dabiara woha. Again, Adɛn dabiara woha. So Adɛn is how come or why. Na dabiara, is it that every day woha you are here? Again, Adɛn dabiara woha. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to find out what Kasapa actually means in English. Again, Kasapa. Now in English that could be good or great talk. So if somebody has a good conversation with somebody, they would say Kasapa, or the conversation was actually great. So it could be good or great conversation in turn, which could be good or great talk. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, calm down and tell me what happened. Again, calm down and tell me what happened. Now that in Tree can be said as abotare na kyereɛ nneɛ asii. Again, abotare na kyereɛ nneɛ asii. One last time. Abotare na kyereɛ nneɛ asii. So if somebody says abotare, what they're trying to say is be patient or remain calm or stay calm. Again, abotare na kyereɛ and tell me na asii what happened. Again, abotare na kyereɛ nneɛ asii. One last time. Abotare na kyereɛ nneɛ asii. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was stay humble. Again, stay humble. Now, stay humble in Tree can be said as Kɔso wo ho ase. Again, Kɔso wo ho ase. One last time. Kɔso wo ho ase. Kɔso is continue. Wo ho ase is remain humble. Again, Kɔso wo ho ase. In short, literally translated in Tree is continue or remain humble. Again, Kɔso wo ho ase. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it's nothing too serious. Again, it's nothing too serious. Now that in Tree can be said as ɛnyɛ asɛm biara. Again, ɛnyɛ asɛm biara. One last time. Ɛnyɛ asɛm biara. Ɛnyɛ is in Tree, literally translated is it's not. Asɛm is news or information. Biara is any. So literally translated, what I just said is it's nothing or there's no news. Ɛnyɛ asɛm biara, literally translated in English would be it's nothing or it's not important. So if let's say I'm seated and let's say Daniel, you come to you and you say Kwesi diabandi, which is Kwesi what's wrong or what is it, and I say Daniel ɛnyɛ asɛm biara, what I'm trying to say is Daniel, it's nothing. Daniel ɛnyɛ asɛm biara. Daniel, it's nothing, right? The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, what is the meaning of this? Again, what is the meaning of this? Now that in Tree can be said as Waye ɛkyerɛ. Again, Waye ɛkyerɛ. One last time. Waye ɛkyerɛ. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it happened before. Again, it happened before. Now that in Tree can be said as asida or asipen. Again, asida or asipen. One last time. Asida or asipen. Again, asida or asipen. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it's not for you. Again, it's not for you. Now that in Tree can be said as ɛnyɛ wodia. Again, ɛnyɛ wodia. One last time. Ɛnyɛ wodia. Slower. Ɛnyɛ wodia. Ɛnyɛ is it's not. Wo is you. Dia is something that belongs to somebody. So if I say ɛnyɛ wodia, what I'm trying to say is whatever that thing is doesn't belong to you. Again, ɛnyɛ wodia. The other thing that Daniel wanted to know was, it's your turn. Again, it's your turn now. That in Chi can be said as Aduru also. Again, Aduru also. Slower. Aduru also. One last time. Aduru also. The last thing that Daniel wanted to know is, do your job very well, please. Like seriously. Again, do your job very well, please. Like seriously. Now, that in Chi can be said as Mepawokyew, yɛwɔ ye, anibere. Again, Mepawokyew, which is please. Yɛwɔ is do your work. Ye is do it well. So please do your work well. Anibere is seriously. So basically, if I say menia briadeisua, what I'm trying to say is I'm serious about this thing, or I want this thing, something like that. It emphasizes seriousness. Anibere, right? So again, yɛwɔ ye, anibere. You don't have to put the anibere there. You can just say Mepawokyew, yɛwɔ ye, which is please do your job well. Again, Mepawokyew, yɛwɔ ye, anibere. Guys, that's the first translation for 2024. Again, Happy New Year. I know that towards the end of 2023, I wasn't posting a lot of things, partly because life got a bit busy and there were a lot of unfortunate events that happened that took my time from this, and I had to focus on that. I think now things have died down, and what I'll try and do is, as usual, I'm pushing this today, which is Thursday, which shouldn't be the case. I'll start pushing on Monday, depending if I get requests. If I don't, I'll try and do something out of the ordinary. Then I'll try and post it on Mondays as usual. And guys, thanks again for your continued support. You know what? It's really hot and I'm starting to sweat. And I'm sitting in the shade. Again, guys, thanks again for your continued support. It's been a couple of years now. My wife would say couple means two. It's been a number of years now. I think it's almost 3 years or so. Thank you so much for everyone who has continued supporting me throughout this journey. I'm hoping the channel this year at least will start growing. As I always say, I'll try and incorporate other things, make it more fun, sometimes deviate from actually translating tree and do something else. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that. Back to the basics. If you love the content of the channel, right, guys, remember, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. And again, if you want to learn tree quicker, right, go get the Tree Junior Pro. It's on Google Play, right? With that and this, you learn tree quicker. I actually forgot what I usually say. It's been that long. I think I'll push out a new update because the latest phones, when they try and download the app, it doesn't work because I haven't upgraded the app, right, to the new OSs. So what I'll do is I'll work on that and push out. When that's out, I'll let everyone know that the app will now support newer phones, right? Guys, thanks again for your continued support. From me, Kɔso, sort of love. Bye.